And today Lizzie and I are going to be going on an adventure. That's right, it might be a backyard adventure, but it's going to be a fun one. And we're going to be testing out this kid's metal detector. Check this thing out. It's fully collapsible, it's fully foldable, it's fully functional. As you can see, you can adjust the height. You can pop the handle off too, just like so, and you can disconnect the cable and store it away. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to try to find something here in the backyard. Maybe we'll find a lost family treasure or something. And then after we do that, we're going to go ahead and bring you in a little bit closer and take a closer look at this metal detector. Let's get into it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
See if you can find something. So as you can see, Lizzie's slowly walking and sweeping the ground, looking for any signs of treasure or gold. What will we find in the backyard? All right, so Lizzie has found something. You hear it? Move it around. It's right there. We're gonna have to dig it up and see what it is.
It's like here.
And I found it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's a piece of wire. You get to retire with a piece of wire.
Yay.
So how cool is that? Not the treasure we were hoping for, but it is a piece of wire. It is metal. We'll just leave it there and let it rest in peace. Okay, so our treasure adventure didn't turn out quite the way that we wanted it to, but we want to give you a quick closer look at this. It's a super simple design. To activate it, you just simply hit one button. There's no other settings to change. It does run off of one 9-volt battery. It's super light, adjustable to the height of your child, and it actually works. And they're also giving you a shovel, which is a quite sturdy little shovel. It's not super flexible and it's not going to break. And then they also give you this rake to help you find your stuff. And now I just need to go wash my hands. So overall, a fun little toy. It's going to make the beach more fun, make the park more fun, and just help you have those adventures with your little ones. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.
Bye.